Pass to number 14. Basket. Number 19, pass sa ilalim. Evangelista. 10 on the shot clock. Passengers to number 30 for 3. Free ball. Number 90 for 3. Free ball. Pass sa ilalim. And 2 points by Pastor Evangelista. 15 on the shot clock. Evangelista, nakagawan nga lang. And call is first a foul. Number 19 dribbling the ball. And cross-court pass. 3 balls by number 20. This pass to Bermejo. Back to Collis. On the drive. Basket is good. Back to 60. 10 to shoot. Basket for 2 by number 16. Bitawan na lang. And pass to Collis. 2 points for jersey number 16. Allegro. Basket. 2 points. Jersey number 16. No good. Collis. Another try. And rejection. And Patrick pass, Allegro with a quick pass, Camado, basket for 2. Pass to Fuentes for 3. Ball. And here's Bermejo. Attempt for 3. Ball by Allegro. Pass to jersey number 11 with a spin. And Allegro with a 2 more. Pass to Tominez. Tominez for 3. With a 3-point shot. Not good. Rebound by Go. And a jump shot. Basket for 2. Tapping sa ilalim. And the first quarter. Back to Allegro. Shot clock by 15 seconds. Number 30 for 3. Pass to number 55. Fuentes. Pasa sa kaliwa. 3 balls by Bermejo. Tominez fake. No good. Basket for 2 by number 14. Pass to Evangelista. Pass sa ilalim na agawan na ng Collis. Ilista mo na yun! Not good. And there's number 16 fake. Buena shot. And basket from Elista. Basket yan. Pass to Nana. Sa ilalim. Basket by Nana. Collis dribbling the ball. Pass to Go. Launches for 3. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Basket by Nana. Tapikan. Basket 4. Here's Evangelista. Pass to Nana. Rubio for 3. Rebound by Camado. Here's Nana. Extra pass. Basket for 2. And that reverse. Number 16 passes. Number 14 passes sa gitna. Ang kakapasa nun. What a connection. Here's Evangelista. Pass to Nana for 3. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Rubio. Basket for 2 by Rubio. Two points by jersey number 30. Here's Go with a fake. Pass sa ilalim. Basket yan. With a foul on jersey number 30. Here's Nana. Cross-court pass, Camado. Extra pass, Ocasyon. Basket for 2. 40 seconds remaining. 2 points on 2 minutes remaining. Nana, pass to Evangelista. With a drive, basket for 2. 10 seconds. Camado. Basket by Evangelista. 5 seconds. And of second, Prado. Alright. And here's number 5. 3 balls. Pass to Evangelista. Dribbling the ball. With a drive. Up with him. Basket for 2. Yes. 10 on the shot clock. Number 28 pass to Fuentes. Basket for 2. On the shot clock. Passes sa ilalim. Supply pa rin. Number 16. Basket for 2. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Allegro. Basket for 2. By Dirk. Police pass to Caminez for 3. 2 ball. Dribbling the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Evangelista launching for 2 ball. And Police. And rejection by Evangelista. Sapal Caboy. Number 5. Basket for 2. And here's Fuentes, sparks a 3. Still by Police. 2 balls by number 5. Here's number 28, passes sa kanan. Hey, not good. Pass break pass, Allegro. 2 points on jersey number 40. Here's Perpejo, lumipat na. Basket for 2. And here's Nana, launching for 2. Here's Martinez, pass to goal. Basket for 2. And tapigan sa ilalim, Nana. Extra pass. Basket for 2 by Evangelista. Not good. Two points on jersey number 40. Pass sa kanan with a fake. Wait, the drive. Sabang na naman. 42 seconds remaining. Blocking foul on jersey number 0. Second personal foul is Martin again. And 5. In the third quarter. Fourth quarter. After 3 minutes. 3. Break pass, Police. Yes, Evangelista, launching for 3. Not good. Camado sa ilalim. Basket for 2. 16 for 3. Rebound by Fuentes. Number 40. Pasok sa kanan. Here's Go for the 3. Evangelista. Not. Basket for 2. Evangelista for 3. No good. Here's Go. Extra pass. Basket for 2. step forward na about ng Wallace. It is number 1. 78-72. Ang aming score. Pasa sa kaliwa, launch and portray. Good. By number 16. Wallace on the dribble. Pass to go. Basket trap. Pinabas to Nana. Pass sa ilalim. 2 points by Evangelista. Wallace 15 on the shot. Number 16. Basket to go. For the dribble. Pass sa kanan. Evangelista. Basket down with the ball. Oh, there's a Wallace. The ball is going to be. Ang ating talaan. Here's Evangelista. Using his way. Basket down with the ball. Pass to Nana. Here's Evangelista. Then on the shot clock. Basket. Not good. Wallace with a second prize. Wallace. Then on the shot clock. Evangelista. Basket for two. And here's Nana with a fake, with a tap, 20 seconds remaining. Pass number 16 with a fake. And a drive. 13 seconds remaining. At kabayanin natin yan. Ito na. Ito na. Alright, clarification. Supply! Ang ating score. Basket! Congratulations, the team Humeros with a final score of 94.